Imagine finishing the key ideas from an entire nonfiction book before your coffee gets cold, because that's basically what Blinkist promises in 2026. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Blinkist works, how to use it step by step, the best features inside the platform, and whether it's actually worth your money this year. Blinkist is an app and website designed to summarize nonfiction books and podcasts into short 15-minute lessons called Blinks, and it's mainly built for people who want to learn faster without spending hours reading full books. When you first open Blinkist, the setup process is really simple. You create an account, choose topics you're interested in like productivity, business, psychology, health, money, or self-improvement, and the platform immediately starts recommending books based on your interests. The homepage feels very clean and beginner-friendly, so even if you've never used a learning app before, you can figure everything out in just a few minutes. To start learning, all you have to do is search for a book or browse categories, then click on a blink. You can either read the summary or listen to the audio version, which is one of the biggest reasons people love this app. A lot of users listen while driving, working out, walking, or doing chores, and it basically turns dead time into learning time. One feature I really like is offline access, because you can download summaries and listen without internet, which is useful for travel or commuting. Another big update in 2026 is Blinkist AI, which lets users summarize web pages, articles, PDFs, podcasts, and videos directly inside the platform. So instead of only consuming existing book summaries, you can now upload your own content and get fast AI-generated takeaways in the Blinkist style. This makes the platform feel much more modern compared to older book summary apps. Blinkist also gives personalized recommendations, curated collections, daily picks, and progress tracking, which helps users stay consistent. Now let's talk honestly about the pros and cons based on real user feedback online. Most positive reviews focus on convenience and simplicity. Many people say Blinkist helps them discover books they normally would never read, and users also praise the smooth mobile experience and high-quality narration. But there are definitely some complaints too. The biggest criticism is that some summaries feel too short for complicated books, because naturally you lose details and nuance when compressing hundreds of pages into 15 minutes. Some Reddit users also mentioned that after listening to many summaries, the content can start feeling repetitive, especially in the self-help category. Another important thing to know is that several users complained online about automatic subscription renewals and refund issues, so if you start a free trial, make sure you understand the billing settings before subscribing. Overall, though, Blinkist still remains one of the best learning apps for busy people in 2026 because it's fast, polished, easy to use, and genuinely useful for quick knowledge. I personally think it works best as a tool for discovering ideas and deciding which books are worth reading fully later, not as a total replacement for books themselves. If you want to learn faster, save time, and build a daily learning habit, Blinkist is definitely worth trying. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below telling me your favorite nonfiction book of all time.